to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Julie Killa from Philippines. I am 35 years old and happily married with 5 children, ages 13, 11, 4, 2, and 1. 4 son and 1 daughter. My educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines in 4 years. I serve 6 members of the family, including 4 children, ages 10, 7, 4, and newborn baby. My main duties are taking care of the newborn baby, also the children, cooking, do laundry, cleaning the house, grocery shopping, gardening, and planting. To my future employer, please hire me as your worker because I am loyal, trustworthy, and hard-working helper. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.